Welcome to our comprehensive guide on crafting your very own vitamin C serum. As a skincare enthusiast, you understand the importance of powerful antioxidants in maintaining radiant skin. Today, we'll explore how vitamin C can transform your routine, offering vibrant and youthful results. This serum is not only a powerhouse for rejuvenating your complexion, but also surprisingly cost-effective to make at home. Throughout this tutorial, you'll discover the dual benefits of skincare innovation and affordability. Why spend a fortune when you can achieve professional results at home? Join us as we unlock the secrets to glowing skin, starting with understanding what makes vitamin C essential in your skincare arsenal. Get ready to embrace a new era of DIY beauty with confidence and clarity. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the process, ensuring you have all the tools and knowledge to succeed. Let's get started. Welcome to the first step in creating your own vitamin C serum, a true elixir for radiant skin. To start, we'll need just a few essential ingredients, each playing a vital role in the serum's effectiveness. Vitamin C powder, distilled water, glycerin, and a dark glass bottle for storage. These components might sound simple, but their synergy is what makes this serum a powerhouse for your skincare routine. First up, the vitamin C powder. This is the star ingredient, known for its antioxidant properties that brighten your complexion and combat signs of aging. Distilled water acts as a pure base, ensuring your serum is free from impurities. Glycerin is our humectant, drawing moisture into the skin and keeping it hydrated throughout the day. Lastly, the dark glass bottle isn't just for aesthetics. It protects the serum from light, preserving its potency. You can find these ingredients at local health stores or online retailers, making them accessible for everyone. With these in hand, you're ready to move on to the next exciting phase, mixing your serum to perfection. Stay tuned as we guide you through each step with clarity and precision. Welcome back to our DIY skincare series. Now that we've gathered all the essential ingredients, it's time to mix our very own vitamin C serum. Start by taking your vitamin C powder and slowly mixing it with distilled water in a clean bowl. Stir gently until the powder is fully dissolved. This ensures a smooth and potent solution. Remember, patience is key here to avoid clumping. Once dissolved, it's time to introduce glycerin to our mix. Pour it in gradually while stirring continuously. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Avoid using tap water, as impurities can affect the serum's quality. Stick to distilled water for the best results. Also, ensure that your mixing tools and containers are sterile to maintain the serum's purity. Proper proportions are crucial. Too much vitamin C can cause skin irritation, while too little may not deliver the desired benefits. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a high-quality serum that rivals store-bought versions. Feel free to adjust slightly based on your skin's needs, but always test a small amount first. Up next, we'll guide you on how to apply this homemade serum for maximum glow and benefit. In this segment, we'll focus on the crucial step of applying your homemade vitamin C serum for optimal results. Begin by ensuring your skin is thoroughly cleansed and dry. This will allow the serum to penetrate deeply and work its magic. Dispense a few drops into your palm and gently smooth it over your face and neck. Remember, a little goes a long way. For maximum benefits, incorporate this step into your morning and evening skincare routine. Consistency is key, so make it a habit to apply the serum twice daily. After applying the serum, follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to lock in all the nourishing goodness. This step not only enhances the serum's effectiveness, but also ensures your skin stays supple and hydrated throughout the day. Additionally, consider complementing your skincare regimen with regular exfoliation and sunscreen use to protect and enhance your skin's natural glow. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving radiant, healthy skin with your DIY vitamin C serum. Ready to move forward? In our next segment, we'll discuss how to store your serum effectively to maintain its freshness and potency. Stay tuned. As we reach the final steps in creating your own vitamin C serum, let's focus on ensuring its longevity and effectiveness. Storing your serum properly is key. Keep it in a cool, dark place. This will help maintain its potency and ensure you get the best results with every use. By now, you've learned how to craft a powerful skincare solution right at home, giving you control over what you put on your skin. But our journey doesn't end here. We encourage you to share your experiences and results with us in the comments below. Your insights can inspire others and help build a community of skincare enthusiasts who are dedicated to natural beauty solutions. Finally, remember that DIY skincare is not just about creating products. It's about empowering yourself to take charge of your health and beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and share this video with friends who might find it helpful. Together, let's embrace the beauty of homemade skincare.